never get the heebie-jeebie feeling. I got the heebie-jeebies. Let's go. Hey everybody, Roland Smith here with Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance, of course. Now, you know the drill. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell to be notified of uploads on my live streaming. And if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. But yesterday was an awesome day. Thanksgiving was wonderful. We hope that you, your friends and family had a wonderful Thanksgiving as well. It was also eventful. So today, I'm going to be compiling footage from yesterday's catch and finds to today's, hopefully, catch and finds. Nevertheless, stick around, stay with me. Let's see how the day turns out. Something got in my trap. I couldn't tell what it was. And it was hid. Hide and seek right here, boys. Check it out. Hope I got it good. It looks like I've got a good pad catch on that. I don't know. Be careful. Yeah, he ain't going nowhere. He ain't going nowhere. Hid. And dry too. So you can give a kind of a time frame on when it was caught. Dang. Looks like a female, I believe. I'll go back out there and get this reset. This trap been here probably, I don't know, probably about 4 or 5 days. Kentucky Trappers, beaver tail oil. Stay with me. Well, my. The grinner. I'd say I'll have a whole load of them today. These tourist place all places. Just gotta cheer up. Old hateful outfit. Yeah, he's slightly upset. Tore my set all to pieces. God almighty, buddy. Stay with me. You sit up there and watch me go by. Pay me no attention. See, look where we're at. This is chest high. Okay. Try to keep that 40 on me. I had a fella question me one time, but why you carry 22 auto and a 40? Well, 22's dispatch. 40's for my protection. Because you never know, Just don't ever know. You out your miles from home. I don't know what might happen. I think I got robbed here. Now, got me out here. I don't think. Oh, those cows have moved up in here. And chicken's still there. Yeah. He's still there. Where will Mr. Bear went to? I got one reset so far. Let's see it. This place full. We got about 5 more to go. Look. I'm gonna put my winter camp up here. There's a spot down there on the out on Point. Drive right to it. Set up the Kodiak, spend the night. Stay with me, let's head on around. Yapping too much. Something's been said. Yeah. A rabbit. A rabbit. I threw a piece of chicken back in the hole back there. Left him no choice but to go that way. A rabbit. So let's get him out. Let me make this set and get out of here. Freshen everything up while I'm here. I'm putting my scent back there under the ledge of that rock. It kind of keeps me from coming back so much, you know. Put a little hellfire outside. Stay with me. I don't know how well you can see it, but that is the 8-mile hike line that I used to do. That's the road that prompted me to buy a deer cart and a poke sled. Because you can only go so far, you have to walk the rest of the way. You can level out on top, tram the rest of the way. That was before I got to side by side. This is the road that I'm on now. So, stay with me. Yeah, that's what it is.